What if you could turn your open houses into a money magnet? Now there are three keys. Number one, exposure and getting people to your open house, of course. And there are many, many strategies that you can use. One is to use lots and lots of directional signs. But more important today is online exposure, specifically Facebook Marketplace. I've heard of agents generating hundreds and hundreds of inquiries and dozens of visitor groups using that strategy. Now the second important key, which both will motivate people to come, but also for them to sign in, is to have a reason. And so I would propose using a giveaway, a raffle of some kind that is valuable, that will drive people there to your open houses, and then have someone at the open house with an iPad signing people in. And you want to be proactive here. So I would organize an open house with 2-3 other agents to join you as quote-unquote team members at the open house. One of them is at the door, greeting anyone that comes in, signing them in on the iPad so they can participate in the raffle, whether it's a bottle of champagne or a cruise you give away once a month, whatever it may be. You know, the more valuable, the better to get them there, but you have to capture leads. And if there's something for them to win, then they will actually give you their information. So I hope you get the importance of open houses. You have to get people to the open house, you got to get massive exposure, and you have to have a reason for them to sign in, so you can then, of course, immediately follow up post open house. Hope you found this valuable. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.